What's up?
Hey, hey! We are off to Winchester today to see some friends, and then tomorrow we are hitting the trail out that way, so it should be a good weekend. And here we are at our hotel for the night.
Hi, welcome to Steven City.
So we are officially on the Tuscarora Trail right now, and we think we're going in the right direction, but the intersection was a little confusing, and my phone that has the All Trails app just died, so this will be an adventure, and we'll see where we go. All right, so we are continuing on the trail still, and I really like in a trail when we go through more like pine trees and things. So here are some pine trees that we're seeing right now, and I don't know why, but this just makes me happy.
To whoever finds and reads this letter, this is day 3 on the trail. We have no food, no water. I've already eaten Rooster, and I don't know what we're gonna do.
Don't listen to him.
Hurricane force winds out here. There's actually no trees left on the mountain. Everything just got blown off. Oh, God.
We're getting close, I think. So when I said I think we're getting close back there, we weren't. I don't know where it is, so we will find it. Hello.
What do you got?
Nothing.
What is it?
But
Still pretty.
it is still pretty. It's also getting quite chilly.
So we are going to go back down the mountain to the car and enjoy some coffee.
Yeah.
So we'll see y'all down there.
How far do you think we've walked?
Probably about 4 miles, so it'll be 8 miles total. So, not a bad hike.
Not a bad hike.
So we do this thing sometimes when we go down a mountain, we just kind of run it, and I always feel out of control, but it's fun as long as you don't trip. Fortunately, I have not yet, nor has CK, but here we go. We're crazy.
Some dude has left a boot on all these posts.
Yep.
It's a lot of boots.
And we're back at the cars.
We did it.
We did it.
We recreated.
We recreated today.
Time for our coffee time debrief.
So, what did you think of it?
Thought it was easy. Definitely rocky at some points. I like that there were bracing breezes. I liked all the different mountain climbs, CLIMES, that we got to walk through, little biomes.
Yep.
What about you?
I liked it. I liked the Tuscarora Trail. That's what we were mostly on today, which is kind of an alternative to the Appalachian Trail. And it's nice because it's not as crowded as the AT. But it was an interesting day. So my phone was dead, and normally I kind of use that to navigate all trails to make sure we're going where we should be going. And so we got to the top near Meneka Peak and weren't exactly sure where it would connect in, so we just kind of came back instead of doing a loop. But we may not have gotten the best views this trip, but it doesn't matter for that. What matters is just getting out, being in the woods for a little while, and you still get to see some pretty neat things. So
A lot of mountain bikes on this road.
a lot of mountain bikes.
And then, I don't know what those trail signs were attempting to say.
They're pointing everywhere.
So that was interesting. But yeah, I liked it. A good little hike. Ooh.
See y'all next time.
Ooh. Bye.